This new plugin by Waves is absolutely incredible, and it makes compression almost obsolete. I'll show you in this video. Hey, I'm Reagan Ram with Orpheus Audio Academy, and this plugin is the Magma Stressbox, which is brand new as of the recording of this video. And it's a very simple control here. You got the single knob that controls either expansion or compression. I think probably you know what compression is. It sets a threshold, and anything that goes above that threshold gets turned down. And then if you adjust the makeup gain, then those quieter sounds are going to be brought up. So basically compression is making those loud sounds quieter and those quiet sounds louder. Expansion, in this case upward expansion here, is basically the opposite of that, whereas the loud sounds that go above the threshold are going to be made louder and the quiet sounds will be made quieter. That's all well and good, but what does that mean practically speaking? Well, if you want a really clean, tight, transient heavy sound, you're going to turn to the left towards expansion. If you want a grittier, more aggressive sound, you're going to turn it to the right for compression. And so best way is just to hear how it sounds. So I got these drums here. I'm going to turn the stress box off. Nice, just immediately like tightens up those drums, makes them feel really nice and punchy. And you do lose a little bit of the hi-hats here the more we turn it up. Let's hear. And that's because the hi-hats are a little bit quieter than the kick and the snare. And this is on the drum bus, right? So you could use it on individual drum elements too if you wanted to. So that's why I kind of like it right around here. We can hear that what it sounds like with compression too. Getting really big and aggressive. So it's getting really big and aggressive, and it's really bringing up the room noise too, like the reverb there. So it's kind of like putting it in a room. So I kind of like to right about here, and then you can adjust the input and output as well. It's designed to be somewhat auto gain adjusting, but more extreme settings, you're probably going to have to dial that in. I'm turning up the input more a bit here, so I'm reducing some of the output. And so, I mean, that just sounds really nice and punchy already right there without having to do like any other added compression. And then I've also got it on my bass here. This sounds really good. Just really makes it warmer, more aggressive. Like just thickens it up and just makes it sound really good. And one last example here, I have it on these keys here. You can feel it just makes them a lot more pluckier. They really like poke through and just gives more character and depth to the mix here. Gives more of an analog character to your digital synths. So anyway, I really love this plugin. If you want to check it out for yourself, you can use my affiliate link in the description below or go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/stressbox. And if you love free sounds and samples like I do, be sure to grab my free starter pack in the description below. It includes a bunch of free samples and presets for synths like Vital, Serum, the GR8, and more. all inside of this starter pack. So be sure to grab that in the description below or go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/starter pack. Now, speaking of making your digital synths sound more analog, I have a full tutorial walking through how you can do this and really turn your digital DAW into a analog studio. So if you want to try that, check that out, then click the video on the screen right now.